Muling iginiit ni Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. na hindi maaring mapasukan ng politika ang financial decision sa Maharlika Investment Fund. Sagot yan ng Pangulo sa harap ng pagkwestiyon ng ilan sa revised implementing rules and regulation ng MIF. Paliwanag ni President Marcos, hindi niluwagan, sa halip ay hinigpitan pa nga ang IRR ng MIF mula sa una nitong draft. Anya, binibigyang kalayaan ng board nito para magdesisyon at dahil may interest dito ang gobyerno, kinakailangan pa rin itong maging kabahagi.
More or less, there are a couple of other things, but basically it was the powers of the board that we changed. Dahil it was, paulit-ulit ko nga sinasabi, I do not want political forces to interfere with financial decisions of the investment fund. But as much as possible, on the day-to-day workings of the fund, we leave it to the board, we leave it to the managers.